Do you ever feel like you're following a critical reasoning question perfectly, only to end up choosing a trap answer that distorts the order of events? If so, I have some tips. I am Julia, and today we are going to talk about a skill that seems very simple, but trips up a lot of test takers on the GMAT verbal section: keeping the timeline straight in critical reasoning questions. Now, I know that it seems easy, but critical reasoning questions love to play games with when things happened or phrase the order of events in a way that is confusing. If you get those events even slightly out of order, it's easy to fall for trap answers that sound plausible but don't actually impact the argument in the way that you need them to. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to use a TTP example to illustrate timeline traps. 65 million years ago, a mass extinction of dinosaurs occurred. A crater discovered in Yucatan is evidence that a large asteroid impacted Earth at some point tens of millions of years ago. In addition, analysis of a layer of sediment deposited worldwide 65 million years ago indicates that a dust cloud that could have been created by an asteroid impact severely altered Earth's environment for an extended period of time 65 million years ago. Therefore, it is likely that the dinosaur mass extinction was caused by the impact of an asteroid in the Yucatan area. Which of the following, if true, does the most to confirm the validity of the explanation given? Let's go ahead and break this argument down. The crater that was discovered in Yucatan is evidence that a large asteroid impacted the Earth at some point tens of millions of years ago. Analysis of a sediment layer deposited worldwide 65 million years ago indicates that a dust cloud, possibly caused by an asteroid impact, made Earth's environment uninhabitable for dinosaurs for an extended period of time. Thus, it is likely that the asteroid impact in Yucatan caused the dinosaur mass extinction. So we have an asteroid that impacted, vaguely in the same time that this extinction event occurred, and we have a sediment layer that was deposited worldwide that indicates that possibly an asteroid impact made Earth's environment uninhabitable for dinosaurs, but the author is concluding that it's the same asteroid in both cases. This is a cause and effect argument. Asteroid impact in Yucatan led to the dinosaur mass extinction. Let's look at our answer choices. A group of volcanoes located in Asia were unusually active around the time of the dinosaur mass extinction, ejecting large amounts of matter into the atmosphere. This is not helpful to our argument. It actually weakens the argument. If volcanoes were spewing material into the atmosphere at the same time, that could be a potential alternate cause. It definitely does not strengthen the author's asteroid theory. Fossil evidence indicates that 65 million years ago, the number of species of dinosaurs inhabiting Earth rapidly decreased. This is something that we already know. The first sentence says 65 million years ago, a mass extinction of dinosaurs occurred. So B sounds supportive. It's not contradictory, but it just repeats something that we already know. We know the extinction happened. We're not trying to prove that. It's a stated fact. Confirming what we already know does not strengthen the argument. C, the chemical composition of the layer of sediment deposited worldwide 65 million years ago resembles that of material found in the area where the asteroid landed in Yucatan. So this choice connects the asteroid impact in Yucatan to the sediment that was found all over the world. This is connecting the dots. If the sediment from 65 million years ago chemically resembles the material from the Yucatan crater, that links the asteroid impact directly to the environmental dust cloud and gives us a reason to believe that the impact the author thinks caused the extinction actually caused the extinction. So our argument is strengthened. D, near the Yucatan crater, material created by the asteroid impact was found underneath deposits of material that was created thousands of years before the dinosaur mass extinction. This is a timeline trap. When it comes to layers of sediment, the ones closest to the surface are the most recent and the ones further down are older. So if the asteroid material from the impact was found underneath deposits of material that was created thousands of years before the dinosaur mass extinction, that means the impact happened too early to be the cause of the event that we think it's the cause of. This one undermines our conclusion. A dust cloud could affect the environment by reflecting much of the sunlight that would otherwise reach the planet. This is an explanation trap. It explains how a dust cloud could affect the environment, but we already know that the environment was affected. Explaining how doesn't confirm that the asteroid caused the dust cloud, and that's what we need to strengthen. So pay attention to the conclusion that you're working with, or these traps can be very tempting. Our best answer is C. Here is the takeaway. On critical reasoning questions, especially those involving cause and effect, always pay close attention to when events happened. Ask yourself, did this happen before or after the key event? Does the answer choice assume a cause and effect relationship just because one thing came first? And most importantly, does it actually support the link between events and not just describe them? Keeping your timeline straight helps you avoid traps, test assumptions, and choose answers that actually support the argument in the way that you need to. Keep practicing, stay sharp, and I will see you next time.